guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today is Vlogmas day 22 and it's 2 days until Christmas because my family celebrates on Christmas Eve. It's technically 2 days till I celebrate. I'm going to my spa right now. I have a fully booked day again. I have one at like 11, noon, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5:30. But that's okay. It's good right before Christmas, so I'm not mad about it. Everyone's getting their services done, but I kind of need to go to my spa. Like now, I'm a little late. I brought some snacks in my purse because I was like, I'm gonna starve. Wait. It's 10:21 and my first one is at 11, but it's a brow wax and she usually comes like right on time, so. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm literally freezing. I didn't realize it was so cold out today. Why did I think it was warmer? I don't know. But let me get ready.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling.
Okay, let me clean this up. First brow wax is done. I'll put those in disinfectant. Throw these away. Okay. And then I'm trying to clean this mirror because it literally has stains on it. So I'm gonna take a minute to like kind of scrub this.
Time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better.
Okay, I need to make a list of stuff I need when I get back from Christmas vacation because I'm lacking a few things. Like I need more strips and I need more sticks. Okay, I'm making my toes.
Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? Oh. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better.
After my third brow wax, so I'm waiting for one, and then another one's gonna come at 12:40. After that, I think I'm gonna grab a coffee with my uncle because he's getting like a laser treatment done down the street. So I might go do that after, in between my clients, because then my next one doesn't come till 1:30. Another wax done. Let me first take this here, and then let me throw this way. Okay. for my facial. And I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Baby, running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Oh, I never had a love so fine. You mix it up with sugar.
We're eating.
And then do like peach green tea lemonade, all the rage.
Yeah,
Well, it's in stock.
right. While you can find it, because
So awesome. She got me a present. So she got me, I'll show you, wait, hold on. This candle, hold on, I'm like a cluster mess right now. Let me bring this bowl to the sink, because I have another facial coming up, but. Okay. Anyways, back to what I was saying. My client is so nice, and she gave me this candle from Opalex. It's from Target. And then she gave me these peppermint squares, which honestly I think I might eat one right now. But isn't it so cute? She's so nice. Okay, now I'm getting ready for my next facial. And let me get a bowl ready. And then I gotta clean that one, but let me do one thing at a time. Okay, ugh, I'm so tired. And my face is red from my mask. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to clean both of these bowls, and I have to clean over there and get ready for my last brow wax, which is at 5:30. It is 4, so I have like an hour and a half. That's why I'm like taking my time and chilling. Having 2 facials back to back is literally like so tiring. So tiring. But yeah, let me clean this up.
hi.
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 Oh, you're both in the car?
Hi.
Yes, we are. What's up with you?
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time.
Okay, I am done for the day, and I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get some food, I think, because I'm hungry. And I love Qdoba. I might go there. I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see what I do. But I've already cleaned up, and I still have my Starbucks, but cleaned everything and I'm good to go. Oh my gosh, you guys should see what my camera's balancing on right now. But I wanted to tell you guys that I've been using the Opalex shampoo and conditioner lately, because my hair has been like experiencing a lot of like, see, like hair is falling out right now, a lot of hair loss. And so my hairstylist told me to look into Opalex. So I got the Bond shampoo and conditioner. It's like number 4, I think. But I've been using it every day for the past week, and honestly, I really like it. And like I said it in a couple vlogs ago that okay, well, right now it is, but when I'm in the shower, like my hair doesn't fall out as much, so like I don't have as much on the shower wall. So I feel like that's like a plus. That's a step up. And I've just been like stressed and stuff, so obviously that causes hair loss too. But I just feel like it's been looking a lot better. You can literally just like see how it's like really thin. The thing about the Opalex though is that it doesn't smell like anything. Like your hair doesn't smell like, I don't know. Maybe that's the point. There's not like fragrance in it. But But yeah, I've been really liking it, to be honest. I wish this was sponsored by it, but it's not. This is my own opinion. I've just been trying it, and I actually really like it. I feel like my hair has been growing back like here. So you can see like right here where it's kind of thinning. But like they're little baby hairs. So like, I don't know, it's growing back a little bit. I just washed my face too, and I put a moisturizer on, but now I'm just gonna lay in bed. I've been like so tired today and like I just feel kind of like I don't know, it's just been a long 2 days of all these like holiday appointments. But I'm gonna edit this vlog now, and then I'll get it posted and ready for tomorrow. But if you guys have been liking this Vlogmas, then hit the like button and subscribe. It's almost Christmas. Tomorrow is December 23rd, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna lay down and probably go to sleep soon because it's 9:30 and I'm tired. And I know I want to like do stuff tomorrow without being so tired. So yeah, I'm gonna sign out here. Good night, guys.